ꯑꯗꯨ ꯆꯪꯉꯁꯤꯂ ꯐꯥꯏꯅꯦꯜꯂꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯄꯤꯚꯤꯌꯥꯗ ꯌꯧꯔꯦ ꯄꯤꯚꯤꯌꯥꯗꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯅꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ
ꯕꯨꯡ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯕꯣꯡ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ
ꯕꯨꯡ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯕꯨꯡ ꯑꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯗ ꯑꯕꯨꯡꯉꯣ ꯀꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯝꯗꯧ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯈꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯤꯅꯦꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯕꯨꯡ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯂꯝꯅꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯐꯥꯔꯁ ꯇꯥꯏꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯆꯍꯤ 35 ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯝꯗꯧ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯂꯥꯁ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯣꯜꯗ ꯁꯤꯅꯦꯃꯥ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯔꯥꯖꯨꯅ ꯁꯤꯅꯦꯃꯥꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯣ ꯌꯦꯡꯈꯤꯅꯦ ꯎꯁꯥ ꯍꯣꯜꯗ ꯅꯪꯒꯤꯗꯤ
ꯑꯩ ꯊꯕꯥꯇꯣꯟ 2ꯔ 3ꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯦ
ꯑꯗꯨ ꯌꯦꯡꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯑꯣꯡ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯄꯤꯚꯤꯌꯥꯔꯗ ꯌꯦꯡꯕ ꯀꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯐꯥꯔꯁט ꯇꯥꯏꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯗꯦꯜꯂꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯑꯣꯡ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣই ꯌꯦꯡꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯔꯤꯚꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯛꯀꯦꯀꯣ ꯃꯅꯨꯡ ꯆꯪꯉꯒ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯦꯡꯒꯦꯀꯣ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯦꯛꯇꯦꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯋꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯗꯧ ꯃꯥꯟꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ
ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯗꯧ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ
ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯗꯧ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦꯀꯣ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯏꯗꯤ
ꯍꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯀꯥꯏꯗꯦ
ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯣꯔꯦꯟ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯔꯤꯚꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯇꯧꯖꯒꯦ
ꯍꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯀꯥꯏꯗꯦ
ꯍꯣꯏ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯏꯆꯤꯜ ꯏꯅꯥꯎ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯃꯥ ꯌꯦꯡꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯔꯣ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯗꯔ ꯁꯤꯃꯥ ꯌꯦꯡꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯔꯣ Audi 5 ngasi PVR changasi Audi number 5 ta ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯁꯦ
traditionally healthy
ꯍꯧꯗꯣꯔꯦ ꯑꯗ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯣꯄꯤꯔꯥꯏꯠ ꯀꯨꯝꯕ ꯀꯩꯀꯥ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯗꯧ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ
ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯇꯦꯟꯃꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯁꯨ ꯃꯥꯗꯤ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯁꯥꯡꯉꯗꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯒꯗꯧ
ꯁꯥꯔ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯪꯖꯒꯦ ꯁꯤꯃꯥ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ꯭ꯔꯣ
ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ
ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯃꯥ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯋꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯌꯦ
ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯌꯦ
ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯀꯣ ꯈꯤꯇꯪꯗꯤ ꯇꯦꯟꯕ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦꯀꯣ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯃꯥꯗꯣ khitang tien ba maleva Sinema di kita pung ani mo ka sa akin din nuai dong mandro.
But it had a lot of character. Folklore, naturally.
Hoy hoy.
Yamushi with the folklore and a lot of details there.
Hoy.
So Yamushi Wanda. It was not commercial. It had the the authentic element. कभी कभी ऐसा हो जाता है ना कि you're presenting something and it's not authentic enough. So I definitely would recommend to my friends and families who are living in Delhi. And I'm like, I cannot miss it. What if the PVR doesn't showcase this? So I'm like, I need to come out today. So, but it was very nice. You have like your own.
Yes.
Mr. and
Mrs. Hijam.
Mr. and Mrs.
Mrs. Hijam. Alright.
My nephew acted in this movie, so it was really fun.
Oh.
Sanamatum is my nephew.
Sanamatum. Okay.
Sige movies yi matang daga hai kamai tor thana yi noba. Honestly I gi oina diko ai balai se da su thamne boom se PVR ka pe je de khama pane ba adagi ai se adu de ye mora se na I da ha de ye mora so many kamai khama ko no. So what happened when this particular movie got selected for the Toronto Film Festival, right? I was like, no, such a good movie, I need to see it. But बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि हज़रत मूवी से PVR या मैं लाकर देगा करने except for international भी limited. Ada hendak mereka kata macam sudah PVR dah BoonG movie से kata uri na screening ta uri na pura pa. And I'm like, okay, where in PVR? Facebook. Ada you know. Check ko the PVR check the like location da sige movie se screening ta yeng matam sida Dwarka yaw I cannot miss it. So I cannot miss it and I took early day off aduga ase cousin ni at the master working oi bata kasi se tarit kasi loishan dari adi si movie si yung si happy such a good movie net to in an accessible area that's right Dwarka na tawri and yam helps nothing and then for some reason I did not want to miss it so thanks to social media that I got to know that PVR was screening this movie had a young publicity campaign that's right ako na thira kanda daw ay so balay na follow daw ba balay sa kanda PVR na ka pe mi review pa sa ay ko like
oh my god, BoonG movie, Manipuri movie in PVR. Like, I was so excited. I was like, okay,
and we
let's
have
go
to
to it.
support such good quality movie. Like,
Right.
it's at an international standard. It's not commercial. Kahit cinematography, that's yamna raw, yamna authentic oiba. My cousin has been, has stayed very less in Manipur.
Okay.
Dapat Manipuri Kangla Upa, nandiyan na Manipuri, festivity, Govindaji temple, for Holi Sanaba. More I have only been once.
I've never been to More.
It's such an eye-opener.
This is the right stage where you can see all the kind of culture and everything was there. So I could enjoy every single moment of
Laughter
it.
and the authenticity. And the
Yeah,
last
it's
song,
part of comedy also, and like very emotional, and then your stories
and it
like
was very authentic.
yes.
Wari's kangdam na ko dum yinging like agang go. And how are we silent? Oh, sorry. I don't sorry ko do. Ay, kasalan na napiya ba law liam tawa ko ay.
Manipur กับมาเจ้าสิ่งดีเลยรู้สิ่งเดียเห็นข้างเกิดที่เห็นรักดีก็ที่ยามงายนี่ก่อน
The ending, ding ding chow. It was such, an element which kept it engaged on the chair, like very authentic. Had this cinema smile na yam na authentic ko iba, culture su iba, catching the audience, story su. Aga acting hairo, camera angle hairo, editing में हमने पसंद है culture will showcase in the right fashion. Yep. The good part, the bad part.
Yam nungai.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
on this review